Pursuit of Excellence Award is a keystone of our industry in terms of recognizing excellence and best practices in our industry. And what more fitting recipient than Yang?
I think that it's important that it's being recognized as a pursuit of excellence because it's really a place where they've wanted to create inclusion. They've wanted to bring young people into this industry and make them feel like they're a part of something that matters.
Pursuit of Excellence says that we're being recognized for the efforts that we're putting forth to help young people find their way in the auto care industry.
They should receive the Pursuit of Excellence because they are excellent.
They started with 4 people, Alina Van Cleef, Chase Baxley, and Ryan Samuels. We just got together at the bar. I'm not joking, and on the napkin we just wrote the name. We thought about it, said we wanted to have peers of our same age, professionals, to network with each other.
They were an evolution from other groups, and this is by far the most successful young persons organization that we've had.
Now look at it today, from 37 people at our first reception at Apex 6 years ago. Today we have almost 2,000 members, if not more.
Here's the secret. Yang is a belief. It might sound hokey, might sound cheesy, but it's a belief.
Just because it's an under 40 crowd doesn't mean that it's a completely inexperienced crowd. There's a lot of knowledge there that can be gained.
They're not just, the mentees or the ones that are learning. They're now actually part of the leaders.
They are taking an active role in leadership right now. And we, as the existing leadership within our industry, can learn so much from those people that are involved in Yang right now.
Yang is our future because they are our leaders. They're the ones getting things done. They're the ones that are motivated. They're the ones that bring hope. So they are our future, and they're what's keeping us alive.
We want to continue that pursuit of excellence. We are engaging the entire industry and helping educate the new people into the industry through our leadership conference, as well as our regional and national meetups.
So Joe and I can honestly say we will continue to pursue the excellence that we're being recognized for.
Thank you so much for giving this award to us. Obviously, I'm super thankful. I'm pretty sure everybody else who is part of Yang will feel humbled.
The support we've received from AWDA for Yang has been tremendous, and we want to thank all our sponsors, both AWDA and individual members. It's been tremendous, and we wouldn't be able to do what we do without it. So thank you.
Again, we're under 40, so trust me, we're gonna celebrate it.